Do you ever find that your vocals or your leads are getting lost in your dense mix? Maybe you try EQing them and now they're just too loud, they stand out too much. Maybe you try compressing them more, but now they just sound too squashed. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you one very easy technique you can use to make your vocals stand out and sit on top of your mix each and every time. Hi, I'm Reagan Ram with Orpheus Audio Academy, and this technique I'm talking about is called sidechain compression, and I'm using Waves C6 sidechain plugin here to do this, but you can do this with any kind of multi-band compressor that you have that allows you to sidechain it. And so what we're doing here is I have this on my chords bus here. So I've got my keys going to this bus, my arps, my bells. If I solo it, it sounds like this. And I got a little bit of EQ here, kind of trying to take out some frequencies where the vocals are mainly going to sit, but you can see that there's still a lot of high frequency information in here. So there we go. And so that is kind of competing with the vocals a little bit. So if we hear everything in together. So you can definitely still hear the vocals, it's just they're a little bit blended in a bit much to the song. So what we can do is we can add some sidechain compression just to those higher frequencies so we're not losing out everything that's going on. So that's what I've done here. So I put this up on the chords bus here, right here, and then I've turned off all the other bands here. So we're just using this band right here. I made it fairly wide, put it right around 4K, and put down the ratio here, about the range to about 7.5. I just left the attack and release as is. And then I clicked external here. And then what we do is we click the sidechain and I choose the bus 4, which is my vocal bus. That's where all my vocals are. And then I just pull down the threshold here so that when my vocals come in, this frequency range of the chords and the ARP and everything, that is going to be compressed. So we'll hear what this sounds like now. So I can make this, I could exaggerate this a whole lot more so you can kind of get a clearer picture of what's going on. So that really clears things up there. I mean, I could even, if I wanted to, maybe like put some of those higher frequencies of the drums and compress those too, but that is pretty good. That definitely makes it clear. So if we set this back to about where it was, you can definitely hear the volume come back up on its own when the vocals go away here at the end. And so that also helps you add dynamics to your mix so that it's not just one static volume all the way through, which kind of gets boring, kind of grating on the ears. Things are moving, things are changing in volume. That makes for a much more interesting mix. And so we'll hear this again. So you can hear those ARPs really pick up in volume there when the vocals drop out. So this is a really cool technique. I highly recommend it. If you got value from this video, hit like and be sure to grab my free mixing checklist in the description below. This walks you through a proven step-by-step system for producing radio quality music from home each and every time so you can finish more music faster. And if you want more help mixing vocals, be sure to check out my video playing on the screen right now. With that, have an awesome day and keep creating.